Nice one, guys. So back in the kitchen with another one today, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this one. All right, it's gonna be super easy and super simple with a few ingredients. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some spinach in the blender. These are some of my leftover, and these are like some good organic spinach I'm using right here to make this video. All right, so hope you guys will love this one. So after you do this, then we want to do have some mango. So it's gonna be mango. I got some leftover mango which I want to use. So we got mango. And it's a very healthy smoothie, which you can also have in the morning if you like to have a smoothie. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a piece of a fresh ginger. So here it is, piece of a fresh ginger. Lemon juice. Just gonna put half a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. You don't have to, it's just option, but I think it just worked out really well. We're gonna put some water. And this is some of my favorite I like to use. 1 tablespoon of, this is some flaxseed. I like flaxseed, guys. So I'm always using flaxseed. So we're gonna blend this. All right, let's make a little bit of a noise. Lovely. So, and this is how it look at this, guys. Wow, that is beautiful. That is excellent. Enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments. We got a lot more recipes for you, a lot more ideas, a lot more things which we can also do for you at home. All right, it's gonna be super healthy and also super delicious, and I know you guys will love this. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. All right, bye bye for now.